Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you can see the space we have already created for this project. So today I'm going to create the system. So let us start now. Let me open this app software. Okay, so you can see you have to select your project here. Click open. And you can see here we have already created all those spaces here. Barber shop, electrical room, laundry, private laundry, sorting area, store, etc. So now we are going to create the system. So click on the system, double click here, new default system. Okay. So this dialog box is open. So you have to go to the general tab first. Okay. So general tab here, you can see the air system name. So you have to enter the air system name here. So I'm going to create the VRF system. Okay. So VRF dash 001. Okay. And equipment type, you have to select the equipment type. So I'm going to select here terminal units. VRF is coming under terminal unit. Okay. And then you have to select your air system type, which is called VRF, variable refrigerant flow. Okay. Select this. Number of zone is only one. I'm going to make only one zone for all these areas because they're small building. So I'm not going to divide into the zone. So I want to keep in the same zone. Okay. So number of zone will be only one. Then because of the terminal unit, this tab will be hidden. So go to the zone component, and here in the zone component there is spaces. So you have to add all the spaces into the zone. So I'm going to add the space. I'm going to select all these space. Click on add. So all the spaces will be added to this zone 1. So our zone is only one. And then go to the thermostat. So you have to select this, and cooling thermostat is 75 degree, which is comfort. So no need to change here anything. Okay, just select here thermostat. Okay, and then go to the common data. Common data here if you want to design for the cooling and heating both, you have to check both, otherwise you have to uncheck this heating. Okay, so I want cooling only, so I uncheck this heating coil. So here you can keep your design supply temperature, you can keep it 55 degree Fahrenheit. Coil bypass factor you can say 12%, so 0.12. And then everything will remain same, do not change anything. Then go to the terminal unit. So terminal unit, you have to select your all zone, then find coil unit. Okay, so 25 cfm per person. Okay, minimum airflow is required. And then go to the sizing data. So in the sizing data, you can see here the sizing, system sizing, zone sizing. So in the system sizing, you have to see here, which is called safety factor area. So safety factor, you have to keep 10% sensible and 10% latent. Okay, and this value is belongs to the chill water system, so no need to change anything here. Okay, then you have to select here computer generated. Okay, so the report will be generated by the software. If you want to change, you can select here user defined. So better to keep sizing data in computer generated. Okay, then click OK, and now you can save it. Okay, so your project is successfully saved, and now is the time to generate the report. So you have to select this, and if you want to check the input data what you entered in this your input design, so you have to click on this, view report, view input report. You can click here. So whatever you entered, it will visible in this view input data. So you can see here the general data, general details, which is called air system name, what you entered, VRF001. Equipment type is terminal units, air system type is variable refrigerant, flow number of zone. So what we entered is showing here. And here is the space you have to add it all those spaces into the zone. So these are the spaces which we have added in the zone 1. This is the thermostat zone data, okay. And then the terminal unit data, which is cooling coil, the supply temperature which we entered, air cool dx, okay, cooling source. And then next is here your sizing data, okay. So in the sizing data you can see this hydraulic which comes here, which is not required. Sizing data is computer generated, okay. So safety factor is at 10% what we kept in, what we entered in the software. So that's we entered, this is what we entered in our input data. So just close this. And then you have to generate, click here, you can see the view design report. So I want a complete report. Just click there and there you go. So you can see here that they decoded the sizing summary, the system sizing summary, here system sizing summary, here system name, class, system type, and the total floor area, number of zone, location, etc. And calculation is for the month of January to December. In the next page, you can see here the zone sizing summary. So here you can see all these spaces is added into the zone, and total cooling coil load is here, the 359.52.9 MBH. Okay. So this is how we are generating the system in the app. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. So please be with me and keep watching my full video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.